evening, everyone. Today's adventure brings us to the Ludy'S Christmas Spectacular right over here in Columbus, Georgia. And let's go take a look. This is one of my favorite places to come every Christmas season. And the excitement is building because everyone's coming in as we walk up to the Ludy'S Christmas Spectacular. One of my favorite events of the year, every Christmas. Oh, wow. There's Santa right there. Wow. And they're playing one of my Hawaiian song, one of my favorite songs. Oh, wow. It's just everywhere. It's from one end of the street to the other. I'm gonna walk across the street. You wanna come with me?
No, just right here.
You see Santa Claus right through the window? That's a really cool nativity. You can put a little teddy bear on there and it'll go across. There's the puppy going across. You can even donate a teddy bear to go sit on the Ferris wheel. There it goes. Right over you. Then we'll go turn around right down there and come back. That's cute. Let's see who's in the Ferris wheel. There's a teddy bear. Another teddy bear. A gator. Another teddy bear with a leopard shirt on. That's a frog. That's a white teddy bear. And here comes Snoopy. How cute. And followed by Snoopy is looks like a reindeer or a dog, maybe a deer. And of course the white teddy bear again. That is so cute. That's really tall up there. This is just so cute. Santa's workshop's right back there. This is so cute. And there's a puppy coming across right there. See that puppy? Cute, 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 cute. Look at that cute puppy. It says, "I love you this much" on the belly. Huh. They're having a great time up there. Ready for Santa Claus. Going through the lights. Here they go. And it'll go all the way across. And then there's the icicle tree. And of course Santa Claus. And the giant tree. Really cute. And then of course Santa's coming in for a landing right over here. And everyone's on the side of the road watching the show. That says Merry Christmas down there. Let me get out of the highway. There's a little elf. This is just so cute. I always love coming out here in Columbus, Georgia. And you see this deer face up there? It sings. See, the little deer moves his mouth. It's really, really cute. Really creative. I love this. Every year I have to come out and see the Ludy'S Christmas Light Spectacular. It's really beautiful. Of course, everyone has to drive by as I go across the street. Look at those reindeers running. So cute.